Welcome to the spoken tutorial on non-veg recipes enriched with magnesium-rich food. In this tutorial, we will learn about food sources of magnesium, preparation of non-vegetarian recipes enriched with magnesium. Magnesium is one of the essential minerals required for muscle relaxation. Magnesium is required for healthy bones and teeth as well. We also need magnesium for energy production and DNA synthesis. Sources of magnesium are legumes like cowpea, kidney beans, and Bengal gram. Nuts like almonds, cashews are also good sources. Sunflower seeds and sesame seeds are other examples. Pearl millet, finger millet, and sorghum also contain magnesium. Non-vegetarian food is not a good source of magnesium. Hence, I will be enriching them with magnesium-rich natural food ingredients. Doing so will help non-vegetarians to get magnesium through diet. The first recipe is dry chicken curry. To prepare this recipe, you need 2 pieces or 100 grams of chicken, 50 grams washed amaranth leaves, 1½ tablespoons freshly grated coconut, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 dry red chilies, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste. You also need ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon chili powder, 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped tomato, 2 teaspoons oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Procedure: wash and clean the chicken, marinate the chicken with lemon juice and rest it for 20 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds, garlic, and dry red chilies. Saute for 2 minutes. To this, add chopped onions and saute till they turn light golden in color. Add the tomatoes and cook till they become soft. Add marinated chicken and mix well. Cover it with a lid and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Add the spices and amaranth leaves. Cover and cook until chicken is cooked. Lastly, add freshly grated coconut and cook for another 5 minutes. Dry chicken curry is ready. 1 serving of this curry has around 133 milligrams of magnesium. The second recipe is steamed eggs dry curry. To prepare this recipe, you need 2 eggs, 50 grams washed fenugreek leaves, 1½ tablespoon sesame seeds powder, 1 small chopped onion. You also need 1 teaspoon red chili powder, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons oil, salt to taste. Procedure: heat a pan and roast sesame seeds until they pop. Allow them to cool. Later, grind them into a powder. To steam the eggs, crack them in a bowl and beat them. Add salt and red chili powder. Mix it well. Grease another bowl with oil and pour the egg mixture in it. Steam this mixture in a steamer for 6 to 7 minutes. After steaming, allow it to cool. Remove the steamed eggs and cut them into pieces. To make the curry, heat oil in a pan. Add onion and fry until it turns golden brown. To this, add the fenugreek leaves, spices, and sesame seed powder and mix well. Saute this for 2 minutes. Add the egg pieces to the pan, cover it with a lid, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Steamed eggs dry curry is ready. 1 serving of this curry has around 120 milligrams of magnesium. The next recipe is fish in sunflower seed gravy. To prepare this recipe, you will need 2 pieces of mackerel. In case mackerel is not available, you can use Bombay duck. The other ingredients needed are 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 1 small chopped tomato, 1 small onion chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. You will also require 4 to 5 garlic cloves, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons oil. Procedure: soak sunflower seeds for 1 to 2 hours and then drain them. Marinate the fish with some salt. Set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Dry roast cumin seeds and black pepper on a pan. Allow them to cool. Mix sunflower, cumin and black pepper seeds. Add a little water and grind them to a smooth paste. We will use this later. Heat oil in a pan. Add onion, garlic. Saute till they turn light golden. Add tomatoes and cook till they become soft. To this, add spices and paste we made. Add little water and cook this for 5 minutes. Add the marinated fish and mix well. Cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. Lastly, add coriander leaves. Fish in sunflower seeds gravy is ready. 1 serving of this curry contains around 168 mg of magnesium. The last recipe is cowpea and prawns dry curry. To prepare this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of cowpea sprouts, 50 grams of prawns, 1 medium chopped tomato, 1 small chopped onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon coriander leaves. You also need 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Procedure: for sprouting, soak cowpeas overnight. Drain it in the morning and tie them in a clean muslin cloth. Leave them in a warm place to germinate for 2 days. Once the sprouts are ready, keep them aside for later use. We will now make the curry. To make it, first clean and wash the prawns properly. Make a slit on the back side of the prawns. Pull out the black thread from it. This black thread has to be removed from the other side also if found. Marinate the prawns with lemon juice and set aside for 20 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan, add onion, garlic and saute till they turn light golden in color. Add the tomatoes and cook till it becomes soft. To this, add the spices, cowpea sprouts and marinated prawns. Mix it well. Add some water and cover the pan to cook the prawns for 5 to 8 minutes. When the prawns are cooked, add coriander leaves and give it a mix. Cowpea and prawns dry curry is ready. 1 serving of this curry contains around 119 mg of magnesium. It is important to include magnesium in our daily diet for good health. All these recipes are rich in protein, folate, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They are also rich in zinc, iron, choline, and vitamin B12. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.